Hey there! Today we'll be creating a textured painting with Alumilite's AlumiFiber Epoxy Thickener and amazing Quick Coat Epoxy. So let's get making. Once you've mixed up your Quick Coat Epoxy, start adding scoops of AlumiFiber until it reaches a thick, frosting-like consistency that holds its shape. Spread the mixture onto your canvas and drag a trowel through the thickened epoxy to create a cool texture. Let this layer fully cure before adding a thin coat of metal leaf adhesive to your design. Once the adhesive is tacky, carefully press your gold leaf onto the design and brush off any excess. An optional step is to pre-paint your canvas black to make sure none of the unfinished white surface shows. Next, mix up another batch of thickened Quick Coat Epoxy and dye it black. Spread that mixture onto your surface and use a palette knife, popsicle stick, or a gloved finger to stipple the thickened resin until you reach your desired texture. With Alumilite's AlumiFiber Epoxy Thickener, you can choose practically any resin to use with it. I chose Amazing Quick Coat for this project so that the curing time would be a bit shorter and I could do more steps in one day. If you need a little bit more time, you can always use an epoxy with a longer working time, like our amazing Clearcast and Clearcast Plus. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed today's project. We'll see you next time.